Assalamualaikum and good morning. Today, I'm Coach Muhammad Jamal Hakim bin Ahmad,
And my name is Muhammad Syafri Wahab.
and today we're going to introduce and talk about
A guideline
Yes, a
about
guideline.
how to coach a young athlete.
yes. Stay soon.
There are some things we as a coach need to be considered when coaching a children.
The first one is you need to provide a positive feedback, and you need to encourage them for the sport. If they whenever they make a mistake, uh, you give them a correct technique. You need to give a positive feedback so their motivation is don't get down, so they can continue the sport.
Okay. Next is they need to be exposed to variety type of skills and physical activity. This is important to prevent them to overuse injury, and we prevent the injuries.
Yes. Such as we are not focusing in one sport. We give many type of sport to give them adapt to the skill, the situation, and how the place go. That one is
The third one is this proper skill and mechanic need to be conducted by a qualified coach or professional coach. That in order to prevent the injury and encourage them to success.
why professional coach, because they have certified. They know what they need to do. They know how the situation goes. So that's why we need a professional coach to conduct them. So
Number 4.
for number four is in one day, at least they need to do a 60 minute. In case then they cannot do a 60 minute in one way, at least they do in this first day is 30 minute, the second day is 30 minute, so the total is 60 minute. That's why that is called a slowly progression. We cannot push them to over. That's
Beside that, there is a special condition which is the young athlete themselves has a disability such as diabetes or obesity. This kind of condition, we need to provide them a specific training program according to their condition.
Okay, the second point is coaches approach based on children characteristic. There are four type of characteristic, which is children social characteristic, children level of understanding, children physical characteristic, and children personal characteristic. The first one is children social characteristic. The coach need to understanding they what they need to do, so it's easily to make them know what they need to do.
Okay, number 2 is children's level of understanding. We know that they are able to process an information easily, so that we need to provide instruction one thing at a time.
The third one is physical characteristic. Nowadays, kids lack of fine motor skill. So as coach, you need to plan a training program that a plan of a variety of activities so they can adapt the skill and they know how the games goes through.
Okay, next is children's personality characteristic. So we know that they easily they easily be sensitive toward criticism or failure. So we as a coach, we need to be positive and provide a positive feedback so that they can improve their motivation level.
That's all about coach approach based on children characteristic. Let's move to the other point. Okay, the last point is type of physical activity. For the first and only is activity in youth should be developmentally variety and fun, such as bicycle cycling, running, and swimming. It's provide fun and give a fitness. In other words, it's fun and fitness. The second one is children should also develop muscle strength. We are not focusing on muscle endurance, but muscle strength is a good and it is important too to prevent them for injury, such as the exercise is climbing, uh, gymnastic. So they should do the exercise. Alright.
Okay, next is older children can or should participate or join in strength training program that provide a correct exercise technique such as push up, pull up. Okay, next is they also can join any of the traditional game that require them to run fast, jump high, balance, or agility.
Okay.
The other point.
The last point is sedentary inactivity is a strong contributor for overweight and a lack of physical fitness. Can you explain it more?
Yes. Sedentary activity such as watching television without doing any exercise, playing with our computer all day, and this is not good and need to be discouraged and limited to less than 2 hours per day.
Yes. So that's all. Our introduction or our
Explanation
explanation.
about about a guideline of coaching a young athlete.
Yeah, elite.
Yes.
Yes. That's all. Thank you, guys.